In this video, you'll learn how to copy and paste style in Elementor. With the copy style and copy paste features, you can duplicate WordPress pages, posts, or part of them, copy and paste styles, and even copy an element from one page to another. For that, you need to edit the page with Elementor. I'm already here in the page editor. But if you want to learn how to edit the pages in WordPress with Elementor, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. As you can see, I've created this page with Elementor. But I want to copy the element style from this page over here. You can see various elements on this page. I simply want to copy the style from this page and apply it to the previous one. For example, I want to copy the style of this heading over here. To do so, simply right-click over it. From the drop-down menu, you can simply select Copy. You can also right-click on this pen icon over here and select Copy from the menu that appears. Once done, let's move to the page where you want to paste the style. Here, simply right-click over the heading to which you want to paste the style. From the menu, select Paste Style. You can see the changes here. You can configure the heading settings and can change the color from here. If you want to set the background, you can do that as well by moving to the Style tab and then configuring the background settings. You can similarly repeat the process and change the background for this section as well. Once done, let's move to the page again to copy the style of the text. Again, right-click and copy the style like this. Now, moving back, right-click here and select Paste Style from the menu. I'll simply repeat the process like this. You can see the changes here. It's just a simple copy-paste method. Similarly, for the paragraphs here, I will again copy the style from that page. Now, moving back, paste the style like this. You can see the changes here. You can change the color of the text from here. You can see how beautiful the page looks now. This is how easy it is to copy and paste style in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.